So I think my personal take, and this is optimistic, I'm generally very optimistic about everything. So, you know, feel free to pop a comment in and say if you see this in a different light. From my take on this, certainly from my personal experience, what it's done for me, it's let me be more productive. I'm producing more of what I love doing. I'm doing more of what I love doing. I'm doing less of what I don't like doing. The boring elements of coding, you know, AI just does that for me now. So I'm happier in my job. I'm working longer hours than ever as a result of that sort of reduction in fatigue that you get from the boring elements of a job. That has let me do more work by hours, but then that's multiplied even more so by the actual performance output increase from using AI in itself. But as a result, our business is growing faster than ever before. So hopefully the idea is that this can happen through all of the sectors. We're just running a little bit more efficiently and relying that bit less on actual sort of labor hours, human hours. Obviously, there is this big picture idea that if all these businesses are able to do the same thing with less manpower, what do all those other people do? But of course, actually, if you look at that through an optimistic lens, what that is more opportunities. It's more opportunities for more businesses to provide more specific tailored services for more niche audiences. And we've seen this kind of trend in social media, like the way this plays out with YouTube. So, you know, if you go back sort of 20 years ago, you'd have celebrity influencers and they would have a voice through traditional media channels, and there would be quite a small number of those and everyone would kind of follow them. Whereas now with social media, we see this massive kind of focusing on niches. You've got individual people with their own individual audiences and they're in their own niches. This is going to happen with businesses as a result of this increase in efficiency, the way I see it. You know, more businesses will exist tailoring to more specific niche audiences.